Cutting and buffing.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie Smalls for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back.
Today is the day where we're clearing and buffing, and it's finally painted. So,
Thank God.
yeah, it's been a while. So let's just give the people a little quick update here. So what is the color exactly?
Emerald green flake. It's not a color. It is a color of a flake. So I guess it is a color, but you know what I mean. It's not a base coat. The base coat's supposed to be black, but we put, like we said, 2 pounds of flake in it. So the flake overrid the black and made it green.
Okay. And what are we doing currently here? What's that compound? It looks like some kind of a...
It's a rubbing compound. The people at CarQuest told me that it'd do the same thing that the regular shit would do, so we're trying it out, and it seems to be doing it perfectly fine.
And you're currently trying to buff out the orange peel?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, we wet sanded with 1500, 2000, and 3000 grit. So right now I'm buffing all of that.
3,000, really that high?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what's going to be the next step after the buffing is done?
Put the bitch back together.
And then it's done?
And then wash it.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
What kind of black was this?
Just jet black.
Just regular jet black. You can see all up there was done. And down here on the rockers. So it was definitely wasn't no mediocre job. I remember specifically when he went through, and remember when we did the PR-15? So it's got full rust protection done on vital and critical areas. It was, how many coats of prime did it go on, dude? Just like tons, like 3 coats or something?
About 3 or 4.
Yeah, it was a lot of priming, a lot of blocking and sanding. So it took time, almost a year, right? Yeah. So this has been going on for quite a while. The main goal to get it painted was finally accomplished.
My main goal is to blow up and act like I don't know nobody.
Yeah, that sounds about right. So definitely not another OSHA violation on this 252 build. He's got a power just
Yep.
laying in the water.
Yep. That's how we roll at Midnight Chop Shop.
Midnight Chop Shop, that's right.
Actually, it's an outdoor cable. So,
That don't really matter. I mean, it's still...
but it's meant for outdoor use.
They didn't say, hey, just drop this thing into a puddle of water after your...
Well, fuck it.
Yes, Ethan always says. Yeah.
Where is he in the video? Have you seen him yet?
What do you mean?
He always pulls up in every video.
It's Gucci. Oh. What's up, everybody?
Everybody, it's the next day, and look who we got, Mr. Zach252 here.
What's up?
First time seeing him in a couple months here, so we're just gonna have him go over briefly all the little details and little things that have happened since we last filmed with him. So, Mr. 252,
What's up?
what's the word?
Hey, she's done, boy. Paint just done, boy. I'm ready. I'm ready to get this thing on the road. I'm doing 15 by 10 reverse gold wire wheels. I'm gonna lower it all like, I think it's gonna be like 3 inches in the back, 2 inches in the front, and it's gonna be sitting on the 15 by 10s. And I might go a little bit bigger on the tip, on the exhaust tip. I don't know yet. I was gonna cut a cat just because I want to be loud, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I mean, she turned out perfect though. I really like it.
What made you decide on this one versus a 4-door?
Well,
and would you build a 4-door if you had one, or would you rather have had the 2-door? Because essentially this would be a coupe.
Yeah, I mean, all honesty, like for real though, the only reason why I did this truck is because this is completely different from everybody else, man. And I am, you know, like this is basically my very first vehicle, so like wanted to go ahead and spaz it out, you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely, man. It's gonna be wild when it's done.
But if I did have a 4-door and I didn't have the 2-door, same thing would probably happen, just because it's, you know, it's what I worked hard for. You know, I worked hard for all this stuff, man. Couldn't ask for anything better.
Yeah, this is the original windshield that was put back in, you know, because the cracks and stuff. And then I believe you have a new one, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a new one coming in.
Okay, yeah. So you got a new windshield coming. Are you gonna retain any of the old stickers at all, or are you gonna?
I think I'm just gonna keep the Easy E one.
Really?
I'm gonna probably get rid of the Chucky one for real.
Okay.
But I do have a Chucky doll that I might go in the back seat. My biggest thing was just to get the truck back here at the original place, you know what I mean? And I have a guy that he did my headliner. He's gonna be doing my seats also, and I'm gonna be doing something like a leather, kind of like a leather material to it. It's still gonna match the dash and everything, but the other part's gonna probably like match the sides and the actual paint job of the truck.
So I don't think we ever did a video or any kind of clips or anything regarding this. You want to explain this whole deal here?
So this is my 95 Tacoma. I got this thing like 2 months ago, and about a month ago I hit a deer, kind of tore my whole front end up. But once I get the Explorer back, I'm gonna try to fix this thing up a little bit. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy like the Explorer, but
Glass headlights.
I ain't gonna do nothing crazy like the Explorer, but I am gonna put some paint on this definitely, because they messed this paint job up.
Yeah. What did you say this was? Rattle can?
It looks like it. Like you can look back here in the back bed. Right here. I think it's on this side. Yes, right here. It's like running.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't like that, man.
It does have a nice sparkle to it though.
Yeah. They just didn't put no clear on it, so it looks nasty.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, this is pretty much just gonna do it for the video, you guys. This is gonna be another installment of the Zach252 build. Much more stuff to come, including the final installments and the final touches. And I want to do a different, completely separate, set aside video of the interior operations, getting that stuff all situated and squared away. You definitely will continue to see Zach on the channel. He plays a big part of the channel considering this whole series. If you want to check out Zach's Instagram, link will be in the description. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And that's just pretty much it.
And we out.
Yeah.
God dang it!